Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we got a new craftkitsune box and check it out. This is like really cool. So, and it's a big box. So let's see what she put in here. Oh no, it's upside down. Good night. Oh, this is cool. So what do we got here? Domino casting mold, holographic powder, and AB mix. And this is the AB mix. Obviously. We'll take a look at this in a little bit. Ooh. That's huge. And yeah. I got plans for this. I don't play dominoes. I don't know anybody who does, but it doesn't look like it's... I guess the holographic means the powder, the glitter. Okay, we'll get this here. Open this up. Is that a bead? A little choo-choo train. Okay, these are like little stars. I'm opening everything upside down today. Those are cute. And the pot is totally full. I like that. I don't know if this is a sticker or not. Ooh, I'm definitely saving this. I love the spiritual stuff. Am I opening this right? Yeah. Great colors. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And have a great day. Namaste.